Welcome to Ezisolution Systems, Ezi-solution.com. We are authorized representative of Ezisolution Systems, Australia. And we are here to make sure that you don't have any difficulty using any Ezisolution Systems products. In all our software, starting from Retailman, ESL, which is Ezisolution Restaurant, Ezisolution POS, and Easy Accounting. There is something I want to be able to explain today, a common issue that some of you, because of that, many will want to buy another license or thinking that it's not repairable. You may encounter this particular problem where your system will no longer fit to your screen, which I'm going to be doing some of the explanation here. Now, in this, our product, our software, there is something I want you to understand. Look at my mouse. I don't know whether you are looking at my mouse. I click here. If I drag this like this and close the software this way, what happened with our system? I'm using the word our system because it is peculiar to all of them. All the packages we have, call it Retailman, call it Easy POS, Ezisolution POS, call it Easy Accounting, and call it Ezisolution Restaurant. This thing I am explaining here also goes to all of them. Now, the point of sales page was open and I closed the software. Anytime you open this software again, it always come up the same position it was set. Before you close it, that is where it's going to come up again. Now, I want to be able to, I hold it here, I move it here. If you close this software and you open it again, it will come up the same position. Now, this is the common problem. The common problem is that sometimes what happens is this. Some people will open this page and mistakenly they will drag it. Either drag it and take it down. Now you can no longer find it in the system. And they close the software. Now when you open this software, they have already minimized this particular page. I'm trying to log in. Now, the point of sales is the page I minimize, and when it goes down like that, I close the software. It remains that way. What it happens is that when you now come next and you are clicking the POS page, it will no longer be opening. You begin to receive a call and they will begin to call, my software is not opening. My point of sales page can no longer open. It does not mean that it opens. But what happened that it's already open somewhere. Now, when you go down, you will see it down. You're able to drag it up again. You will come back. You click here, then close it again, then click it the second time and arrange it the way you want to arrange it. Now, this becomes the position. So, the software recognizes the last position when you close the software. It is the position that is recognized. Whenever you open the software again, it comes back again to exact position it was when you close it. Now, sometimes it happens to any other page. It may happen to this particular page. No matter any page it comes up. Then if this one is dragged down, then now that is the point that you cannot even detect now. It cannot detect it anymore. Now, what it means that if I open this very page, it's opening. Then when I want to open this very page again, you will see that it's no longer opening. And the reason it's not opening because it's already hidden somewhere. Now there is a shortcut to bring it up. And this very shortcut, just like as I said before, if this is the page I minimize and it is down here, and because of that, there is a shortcut to bring it up. When you use a shortcut to bring it up, that is control. One of your hand will be in control button, control F10. When you press control F10, it automatically brings it up. Now, if this is the page you drag down or you take it to one corner, anywhere, just like as I explained before, any page that you minimize that is open, but when it opens, the person that starts using the page, drag it down and hid it somewhere, that page will no longer be able to open when you are clicking here. Now, if you open any other page, they opens. The reason why it opens is that because sorry, the software. The reason why it's opening is because they are not the page you drag down. So this is the particular page we drag down. And this particular page that I drag down is hidden somewhere, can no longer open again. So all I'm trying to say is this: whenever you see any page you are clicking and it's not open, you don't need to panic. What it means is that look all the edge. There may be somewhere you have dragged it down. That is the point I'm trying to make. And if you can be able to see it, to drag it out again, like this one is inside this place hidden, I can bring it out again. I can double click on it like it will set up and I bring it again. But there are some of them that you cannot be able to see. And this one you are not able to see. Let's say this one, the person drag it inside so much in a way that you can no longer be able to see it at all. Let me take it more inside. Now, and you will look and you cannot be able to save it. Bring it up again. So and when you click, the page is already open. Just click Control F10 and it will open and bring it out. Now when it come up, close the page, then open the page again and adjust the page where you want to adjust it. Close it again, it becomes permanent. Now, there is another point I want to make I want to explain very well here. If this page is open and this page is dragged inside and it's like this, and let's say that you are clicking on it and it's not opening, and you are clicking on it like this, it's not opening, and the person did not close down this very page, and the person went and opened another page. Remember, the first one, we have not closed it. So the software have not recognized the closing of the first one. I just opened two different pages. One, I have dragged it inside. The second one, I have not dragged it anything. It will still work perfect because I have not closed the first page. If I had closed it, since the software uses the last opening, the last close page, the way it is set is what the software recognizes. When you close that very one that had problem last, it will be recognized. Now I can work with this page, finish everything I'm doing today, do all my job, and when I am going home, I first close this very one before closing this. This is the one that I had that particular problem. If I close this very one last, it will recognize this one that is hidden as the one that is set. But if I first close this very one and before I close the one that is normal, what happens is that the one that is normal, since it's the last one I close, will automatically open again. Do you understand? I hope you get it. The last one that you close down is what is inside. So let me bring this one up again, Control F10. But if I just close this one, remember I open and bring down this, and if I now, since it's the last one, now that page that is bad is now taking effect. So it can no longer work. It's not hidden. So if there is nothing to worry about, just use your Control F10 and bring it out again. And when you bring it out again, everything will scatter like this. Close it and open it again. Minimize, arrange the page where you want it to be. Then close it again and bring it out again. Everything is normal the way you want to use it. And I want you to know it's not only this page. It happened also for this page. Look at how I drag this page. Then I close this page. Then when I open it again, since it's the last open, and that is how it is, the system always recognize the last share, the way you share the system. Now this very one, it because some part enter inside. The reason why it come out very well again, because some are hidden. But I want to show you something. I want to hide, I want to do some certain settings now so that you'll see. Sometimes you get a call, or you have a software that you now look at. This particular place is inside a bit, and this one is now stretched inside. I want to do something. Now, if you watch, some part of this software is already inside. Now, if I close it and this is the last closing option, look at what happened next. It's now become the settings. It means that when I open the software, this one is still okay. And if I drag this one inside and also do the same thing here and closes it, it now become the settings. So when you open the side, it's now inside. Some people will tell you that I cannot find some certain things. And that also happens for any settings. Now, if you now take this and take it more inside like this and drag it here like this, and close it. When you open it again, that becomes the setting. So people now say that, oh, I cannot find this, I cannot find this. I just wanted to know now, if I close this software completely and open it again, then you open this page, that is how the software is going to be. There is nothing to panic about. If you click Control F10, as far as this page is open, then you click Control F10. Don't have the page open. Control F10. The reason why I double click here, because double clicking here will actually bring it, but double clicking here will not bring out everything accurately because some part of this page are not fit the screen. Except you double click here first, and this very one sets very well, or use F10. If you're able to see any up here, double click on it and it's okay. Then you close it and open it again. When you close it and open it again, it will recognize these settings. Or use Control F10 to do your settings, fitting the screen again. So now that this one is not fit. Now if I bring out this very one and double click on top of this line again, or Control F10, then it will see the set. It will now come back to normal. You come back to the settings of the body, then you close it, then you open it again. So in every part, as in every aspect of our software, call it any of our software you're using, it is the same settings. So you can set up everything you want to set up. So in every page you want to set up, it is the same thing. So the error message that is coming, I've just set up this, I am using this for training, so I have not finished configuring it. That's why that message is coming up. So this is what I want to explain today. And like as I said before, I'm done for this particular teaching. In my previous message, I was able to explain what I'm going to be doing. I have decided to bring some paid training. And this paid training is going to be on engineering or installer or resellers. These are going to be for installers. I make a pay training on my YouTube page. On this our YouTube page, what we are going to do is this. What we are going to do on our YouTube page is this. Okay. What we are going to do is that I will be able to explain more later. This is our YouTube page. Now we are going to have the people that can subscribe so that they can be able to have access to some of our training about configuration. So anything that has to do with configuration will no longer be open. That's what we are going to do now. Then you will see the notification, but you cannot be able to watch it for configuration. This one's supposed to be part of it, but I'm leaving it. I'm going to make this one public. Then, and next time when you are watching, if you are engineer and you want us to train you on some particular part and some other thing, we will be able to train you. And you are going to come there and watch the previous videos on all those configuration that we have in our YouTube. So I'll make a video how to do that. You understand? Then after that, I am going to give free those videos. You can have access to those videos when you are buying every of your licenses from Ezisolution.com. Once you are buying your license from Ezisolution.com, we are going to give you everything, all our training, all our installation, helping you to install, guiding you or installing for you. Everything will be free. Once you are buying direct from us, we will assist you to set up. We will assist you in every aspect of your settings. Whether you are installer, we are going to assist you. Buy from us. Everything about what you have is covered. But when you are not buying from this particular platform and you want us to train you, you will be paying, and you will be paying for everything we are doing for you. But once you are buying from here, there will be no payment for installation. We are going to help you and handle all the installation remotely. Thank you and do have a great day. More videos will be coming up where we are going to explain more things. Bye.